hair care routine. And okay, I just want to make a disclaimer. I know my hair is not the healthiest or the prettiest or longest or whatever, but I just thought I would share some of my tips and tricks with you guys. So yeah, let's just get started. So let me just do like a background on my hair. So I cut it in 7th grade to like right here, and it did not want to grow for the longest time. Like I was going into my freshman year, which was 2 years later, like, and it was like right here. Then finally, later on in my freshman year, my aunt cut it because she's studying to be a cosmetologist. My hair grows so fast whenever she cuts it, and now it's like this. It goes all the way down to my butt, like there are my shorts, there's my hair. In all that time, I was trying to do so many different things, like I was putting coconut oil in my hair, a whole bunch of stuff, but then once she cut it, it finally grew. And at that time, I was using these shampoo and conditioners by Matrix, it was called. All of their products are super great. All I know is that I was using a red bottle. I'll insert a picture of it right here. But yeah, so that's what I was using at that time, but I've switched it up now. And also I just want to say I have dyed my hair. I have a balayage, and yeah, it has like honey in it. I think that's what it's called. I'm not sure, but yeah, that's what I have, and I don't think my hair got too damaged from it. If anything, I think it made it better and softer somehow. I don't know, but yeah. Okay, so now I'll show you guys like what I use in the shower and all of that.
So here I'm taking my hair out of the braid it was in, and I'm not going to brush it or anything. I'm just going to take it out, and then here I'm rinsing my hair completely to prep it for the shampoo I'm using, and it's the Lavender Mint Moisturizing Shampoo by Paul Mitchell. And yeah, I just do a bunch of pumps of that and then put it all in my hair. Next, I just use the matching conditioner, and that's it.
So I just got out, guys, and this is how I look. I know they say putting your hair in a towel is bad for you, but I just haven't gotten around to buying one of those towel wraps. I'm not sure what they're called, but I haven't gotten around to it, but I will get it eventually. Okay, guys, so now that I'm out of the shower, I'm gonna take my hair out of the towel, which I know is bad, so obviously don't follow that. And now I'm going to use my matching Lavender Mint Conditioning Leave-In Spray, and this thing is so good. So I just do like 3 squirts on my hand, get my hair, and kind of use it as a detangler. I'm gonna try to get it everywhere. Now I'm gonna use my wet brush, and this is like the black one that looks like that, and I'm going to do that. Also, make sure to brush from the bottom to the top, because or else you're gonna break your hair, and that's not good. So the reason I don't brush my hair before the shower is because my hair is so long. My hair is naturally like really tangled, like it gets tangled super duper quickly. So I just don't take the time to brush it before because I just feel like it's a waste of time. And I used to brush it in the shower too, but it would take like 10 minutes just to brush it. So I was like, can't do that anymore. Okay, so once it's all brushed like that, I split it in half, and I do 2 pumps on each side, going from the bottom to the top. Okay, so now I use these 2 products mixed together, and the first one is right here. So that's it. And then I use the Matrix. And I don't know if any of these products do anything, but I mean, my hair feels shinier. So I do 2 pumps of that, and then, 2 pumps of this. Mix it together. And then kind of the same thing, bottom to the top-ish. And by this time my hair is all crazy again, so I just brush it again, bottom to the top. And that's all I do. And honestly, I usually take night showers, so I go to bed with my hair wet, but I try to do like stuff before I go to bed so it can dry as much as possible. But yeah, this is what it looks like before I go to bed. And then I will show you guys how it looks dry tomorrow and how I style it.
Okay guys, so I just want to say right now, I think the best thing I have is this lavender mint conditioning spray, and a friend actually recommended this and I used it and it was amazing, and it makes my hair so soft, like just within seconds. And yeah, it smells so good too. Like even like if you go in the pool and once you're out, you'll still smell the lavender. It's so good. I'm gonna admit to you guys, I don't use heat protectant as much as I should because I'm just so lazy. But when I do, I use this one that I got in my Ipsy bag. So that's what I use as heat protectant when I do use heat protectant, which I recommend because it's terrible not to use it, but I do it anyway. Sorry that the camera moved, guys, sorry. Okay, well anyway, I was saying that I use the Instant Freeze Aussie Gel 20-hour max hold to hold down my flyaways and to possibly make my forehead bigger. I literally have 2 heads, it's sad. Okay, now moving on to the heat stuff I use. So what I use is the Pretty in a Minute 2-inch keratin smart flat iron. That's what I use when I straighten my hair, and it just looks like this. And then for curling my hair, I use this box, but I only use the middle barrel when I curl it, and this is what it looks like. The curling one goes up to 450 degrees, and then the straightener also goes up to 450 degrees. And with these products, I don't feel like they burn my hair, although obviously they are doing a lot of damage to it, but I don't feel like it looks that bad, and it's pretty soft. Something I would really recommend was coconut oil, because that I really felt a difference and it made my hair super soft. I just don't use it right now because I don't have any, but yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.